What's going on, YouTube? Down here back, you already know what it is. Me and Julie ordered I ordered us some Pizza Hut, and they forgot our Pepsi, so I'm about to just get that real quick. She's at the leasing office because Josh was helping me with something, and I left her there because I walk fast, and I was just getting this soda real quick and then going back because he has my Steam Deck that I ordered. I don't know if I told y'all that I got a Steam Deck. Yep, there's a soda. One second, y'all. Sorry. Alright. About to put this soda in the refrigerator real quick. I'm gonna sit y'all down. I don't feel like doing too quick, so this is kinda unedited. Smell like pizza. Because y'all see the pizzas right there. But anyways, y'all, yeah, I ordered me a Steam Deck, which is, for the people that don't know, it's basically a portable PC gaming system that's way better than any normal gaming system. Because you can literally play any game. Like, you can literally play all the game system games on one system. Literally, GameCube games, PSP games, PS Vita games, Nintendo DS games, Nintendo 3DS games, PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360. Literally all of those game systems, even arcade games and iPhone games with the emulators. And Josh knows how to get them. I'm on my way, as y'all see, back to the leasing office now. It's because she, like I said, Julie's still there. Hold on. Okay, that sun was fucking with my eyes, but yeah, she's still there because I move pretty fast. And she doesn't move as fast as me, which is okay. But just because I was coming back, you know, I just left her there earlier. Earlier we was at the playground, and then we came back here. Okay, I'm back. Put the drink in the refrigerator. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to my channel. You good? Anyways, y'all, but in this, y'all. Peace.